How to unblock websites without worrying about GoGuardian. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply search for this particular website. Make sure that you are searching for the right one. Just paste it up in your address bar and click enter. After that, just wait for it to connect to its server. It is a proxy website, so it might take a while when you are accessing it for the very first time. So just wait for it to load. After that, the trick is that the upper address bar rather use the lower one, and over here just type any website of your choice. Suppose you want to open up YouTube, just simply search for YouTube and hit enter. After a while it will open up. Now this is how it will appear, and you will be able to surf any website this way, whether Roblox or any other website. Just simply open up and wait for it to load, and this way you would be able to open up any website out there without worrying about GoGuardian. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.